In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the ExpressVPN Chrome extension and why it's one of the best tools you can use for secure browsing. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever worried about how much of your personal information is exposed when you're online, or if you're just tired of websites tracking you everywhere you go, then this video is for you. ExpressVPN is already one of the bigger names in the online privacy world, but not everyone knows that they also do have a Chrome extension that you can run right inside your browser. It's designed just to make things simpler, so instead of jumping back and forth to a separate app, you can turn it on and off directly in Chrome and add some extra protection while you're surfing the web. So today we're going to break down what the extension is, how it works, the features that make it stand out, and the pros and cons, and of course whether it's the right choice for you. Let's get into it. So let's start off with what exactly is the ExpressVPN Chrome extension. In simple terms, it's a lightweight version of ExpressVPN that plugs directly into your Google Chrome browser. It doesn't replace the full ExpressVPN app. Instead, it acts as a browser level control panel that integrates with the app on your device. When you use the extension, you're not just getting a proxy that changes your location, you're getting the full protection of ExpressVPN's encrypted servers, but in a way that's tailored for browser use. That means all of your browsing activity in Chrome is encrypted. Your IP address is hidden, and you get access to ExpressVPN's full server network with just a few clicks. The extension is designed to be easy to use, which makes it perfect for people who want VPN protection without having to dive into complicated settings. It gives you the same core privacy benefits as the app, but right inside the browser you use the most often. Why browser extensions matter? You might be wondering, why use a Chrome extension when you can just use the full VPN app? The answer really comes down to convenience and focus. A lot of people spend the majority of their online time in their browser, checking email, shopping, streaming, and even social media. While the full VPN app protects your entire device, the extension just makes it faster to control your VPN when you're browsing. You can connect, disconnect, or change your server location without leaving your browser window. On top of that, the ExpressVPN extension adds privacy features that are browser specific. For example, it can stop WebRTC leaks, which are a common way your real IP address can be exposed even if you're connected to a VPN. It also lets you spoof your location so websites can't use your browser built-in geolocation to track you. In other words, the Chrome extension doesn't just duplicate what the app does, it adds extra protection for the way you actually use the web. Now, let's go through the key features of ExpressVPN Chrome extension that really make it stand out. The first and most important feature is encryption. When you're connected through the extension, all of your browsing traffic in Chrome is encrypted using AES 256-bit encryption, which is the gold standard in the VPN world. This ensures that hackers, your internet provider, or anyone else trying to spy on your activity cannot see what you're doing. The extension also hides your IP address. So instead of websites seeing your real IP address, they'll see the IP address of the ExpressVPN server you're connected to. This is what allows you to browse anonymously, avoid targeted ads, and even access region-locked content. Another big feature is the WebRTC blocking, and this is essentially a communication protocol built into browsers that can accidentally leak your real IP address, even when you're using a VPN. The ExpressVPN extension prevents those leaks, which is something not all VPNs bother to do. Then there's also spoofing. Many websites try to track you using your browser's geolocation feature. Even if your IP is hidden, they can sometimes still pinpoint your location through Chrome itself. The extension lets you override that and spoof your location so that websites cannot figure out where you really are. The extension is also really easy to use. With just a couple of clicks, you can connect or disconnect, change servers, and see your connection status. It's simple enough for beginners, but still powerful enough for advanced users. And of course, the extension gives you access to ExpressVPN's entire network of thousands of servers in 94 countries. That means you can connect to almost anywhere in the world directly from your browser. Everyday use. So what is it actually like to use the ExpressVPN Chrome extension day to day? The experience is smooth and straightforward. Once you've installed it and logged into your ExpressVPN account, you can just pin the extension to your browser toolbar. From there, connecting takes just one click. You can choose the best server location based on your location or manually select from the full list of countries. The extension runs quietly in the background, so you won't notice any difference in your browsing speed most of the time. Pages load quickly, streaming works smoothly, and downloads are secure. Because it integrates with the main ExpressVPN app, you get the same level of protection but with easier access. access. One of the best parts is the peace of mind. Whether you're shopping online, entering payment information, or just logging into email, you know your data is encrypted. And when you're streaming, you can quickly switch servers to unlock content from other regions without leaving your browser. Streaming with the Chrome extension. Streaming is another area where the ExpressVPN Chrome extension really shines. Since it connects to the full ExpressVPN network, you can use it to access Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, and other streaming platforms right from your browser. For example, if you want to watch Netflix UK while you're in the US, you can just connect to a UK server through the extension and refresh your browser. Suddenly, you'll see the UK library instead of the American one. The same goes for Disney Plus and other streaming platforms. The extension just makes it very quick and easy to change regions without having to toggle the main app. Because ExpressVPN has strong speeds, you can stream in HD or even 4K without buffering. And if the server doesn't work for that platform, you can just switch to another one until you find one that does. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the pricing and how you can get the Chrome extension. If you want to follow along as I kind of talk through this, our exclusive link is down in the description below. Once you click that link, we'll click Get ExpressVPN. Here you can see they have a couple of different options here. You can do 1 month, 12 month, or 2 years, but I'm going to talk about the 2-year plans because not only do you get 4 months on top of the 2 years, but you can save up to 73% off. So they've got the basic, the advanced, and the pro plan. Starting off with the basic plan, this is just $3.49. Again, you're saving 73%. With this, you get the 30-day money-back guarantee, the VPN, and the 10 simultaneous connections. Next is the advanced, which is just $4.49 per month, and this will save you 67%. You get everything that's in the basic, but you also get 12 simultaneous connections, advanced protections, password manager, 3-day eSIM by holiday.com, and 50% off AirCove. You also get the Identity Defender Lite. And then lastly is the Pro plan, and this is just $7.49 per month, and this is saving you 62% off. You get everything in the advanced, but you get 14 connections. You get 5 days eSIM by holiday.com, 75% off AirCove, and you get the Identity Defender VIP as well as a dedicated IP address. Again, if you want to even compare them further, use our link and you can go ahead and kind of dig in even deeper. And I know I already mentioned this, but I just wanted to reiterate the 30-day money-back guarantee because if you try it out, you invest, you don't feel like it's the best fit for you, you can go ahead and get your money back. Now, to actually get the Chrome extension, you just have to scroll all the way down and you'll see the Chrome extension right here. So obviously you do have to have an ExpressVPN plan. So you'll want to make sure you get signed up for that first, and then you can download the VPN extension right here. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting off with the pros. One of the biggest pros is convenience. Having the ability to control your VPN directly from your browser just makes it so much easier to use. You don't have to leave Chrome to connect or switch servers, which saves time and makes it more likely that you'll actually use the VPN consistently. Another advantage is the extra protection against WebRTC leaks and geolocation tracking. These are browser-specific vulnerabilities that the full app alone doesn't always cover, so having the extension adds another layer of security. The extension is also simple and user-friendly, so even if you've never used a VPN before, you can figure it out in just a few minutes. At the same time, it still offers the power of ExpressVPN's full server network, so you're not sacrificing functionality for simplicity. Now on the downside, the Chrome extension isn't a standalone product. You still need the main ExpressVPN app running in the background for it to work, which might be confusing for some users who think that the extension alone is enough. Another con is the price. Since ExpressVPN is a bit more of an expensive VPN than most competitors, it may feel like overkill if you're just looking for a very basic VPN. And finally, while the extension is great for browsing, it only protects traffic inside Chrome. If you're using other apps on your computer like torrent clients or desktop software, those will still need the full app for protection. So, is ExpressVPN Chrome extension worth using? The answer is yes. If you want the most convenient and secure way to browse the web on Chrome, this is one of the best tools available. It combines the speed and reliability of ExpressVPN with extra browser level protections, making it perfect for everyday use. It's especially useful if you spend most of your online time in Chrome. Whether you're working, shopping, streaming, or just scrolling, the extension makes it easy to stay protected without constantly thinking about it. If you're on a tight budget and only care about the basic functionality, you might prefer a cheaper service. But if you want peace of mind, advanced privacy features, and the convenience of browser integration, the ExpressVPN Chrome extension is really hard to beat. I know that online privacy can feel complicated, but the ExpressVPN Chrome extension makes it very simple. It gives you one-click access to secure browsing, blocks common leaks, and makes streaming from different regions easier than ever. For anyone who wants to protect their information without slowing down or adding in extra steps, it's a really great option. If you want to check it out and get the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you protect your online privacy and find tools that make your digital life easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.